Hey everybody, welcome back to CopyTrader. Today I want to introduce you to another tool, the CopyTrader detector. The CopyTrader detector will allow you to take any wallet address and it will analyze the last 5 unique tokens that wallet bought. It will then search to see if anyone bought all of those tokens or a portion of those tokens within 10 seconds of our target wallet. If they did, this is a clear indication that they are copy trading this wallet. So let's grab a popular trader from the top copy trading list. These guys usually attract a lot of copy traders, even though it's very hard to win with them. Click detect copiers, and there you have it. So we've detected 23 copy traders with an average of a 4-second copy delay. Now you can scroll down and get a deeper look at each trader. How many matched tokens were there? So this guy copied 5 out of 5. Same with him. And then these guys copied 3 out of 5 and 2 out of 5 respectively. Now, why is this useful? Why is this important? First of all, this is useful because it's not advantageous to copy a trader who has many copy traders like this one. It means you'll probably get a bad price unless you can beat out all the copy traders for fees. And that's the second reason why this is so useful, because here on the right, you can see exactly what fees all the traders are using. So if you wanted to try to copy trade this guy and beat all of these traders, then you would need to use higher fees than someone like this who's getting in within 1 second. His fees are quite high, but if you can get in before him, then it can be quite lucrative. You also see the win rate and ROI, trades per day, and trade period of all these traders, which is very useful because sometimes there are some gems. If you can find a copy trader who's doing very well, then you can copy trade the copy trader and not only not have to research tokens like a real trader, but also not have to research wallets like a copy trader, saving you time and potentially making you a lot of money. So that's the CopyTrader detector. It's a fantastic tool, one of the many tools we have here at copytrader.com. So head here today and try our tools 100% free with a 24-hour pass. We know once you copy trade with our tools, you will never copy trade without them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.